Hello everyone, it's Erin, and welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video, I'll be covering how to transfer Tether USD tokens from Statemine to Moonriver and how to interact with them on Moonriver. When you transfer USDT to Moonriver, you're actually getting a representation of your USDT tokens, which we refer to as xcUSDTs. XC is prepended to the name to identify these assets as cross-chain assets, which are also known as XC20s. The beauty of XC20s is that they have an ERC20 interface to maintain Ethereum compatibility, so you can interact with them as you would any other ERC20. For example, you can add them to MetaMask and create liquidity pools on DEXs. When you transfer USDT, the original USDT tokens are stored in an account on Statemine that is owned by Moonriver, known as the sovereign account. When the USDT tokens are received by the sovereign account, new xcUSDT tokens are minted for use on Moonriver. At this time, you can only transfer USDT to Moonriver. The functionality to transfer xcUSDTs back to Statemine doesn't exist yet. For a deeper dive into XCM and XC20s, including an overview of the protocols that enable XCM, how assets are registered, and more, you can check out the Moonbeam documentation site. Links to the doc site are in the description below. Now that you have a base understanding of what xcUSDTs are, let's go ahead and get started. You'll need MetaMask installed to interact with your Moonriver account and the Polkadot.js Extension to interact with your Statemine account. So go ahead and navigate to apps.moonbeam.network/Moonriver. Here you'll be prompted to connect your wallet. So choose the account you want to connect and transfer xcUSDTs with. And if you haven't already added Moonriver as a network, you'll then be prompted to add the Moonriver network and then switch to it. So now that your MetaMask should be connected to the Moonriver network, the dApp will show you the Moonriver page. If you take a look at the cross-chain assets section of the dApp, you'll be able to see all of the available XC20s on Moonriver. To get more information about each XC20, you can hover over their name. And then for each XC20, you'll be able to do things such as deposit, withdrawal, and add the XC20 to MetaMask. However, for xcUSDTs, you will not be able to withdraw them at this time and transfer them back to USDTs on Statemine, as the functionality just doesn't exist yet. So first you can start by adding the xcUSDT token to MetaMask, and go ahead and click Add Token, and then to make sure that it was successfully added, you can open MetaMask back up, and under the Assets tab, you should see the xcUSDT token. So next you can deposit some xcUSDT tokens to Moonriver from Statemine. But before getting started, just make sure that your Statemine account is connected to the Polkadot.js extension and has some USDT available to transfer and a small amount of KSM to pay for transaction wait fees. To get started, just go ahead and click on Deposit, and then click Connect to Polkadot.js. Now you can start to fill out the deposit information. So select your Statemine address that you want to send the USDTs from, enter the amount to send, verify that the account listed is your Moonriver account where you'd like to receive the xcUSDT tokens, and then go ahead and click Send. The Polkadot.js extension will pop up and ask you to confirm the transaction. Enter your password and click Sign the transaction. Alright, so the transaction might take a minute to process, but once it goes through, you'll see that your xcUSDT balance has been updated in the dApp. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred USDT to Moonriver. Just keep in mind that the transaction fees have been deducted from the amount transferred, which is why your xcUSDT balance is lower than the amount you transferred. If you want to send xcUSDTs to another account on Moonriver, you can easily do so by opening up MetaMask, clicking on the xcUSDT token, and then clicking Send. Then you would need to enter in the transaction details, such as the recipient and the amount to send. And that's it! You've successfully sent USDTs to Moonriver in exchange for xcUSDTs and learned how to transfer those xcUSDTs to another Moonriver account. Thanks for watching! We'll see you in the next one!